experience key moments. Once you have added your main BMW Digital Key, you can use your compatible Android smartphone, for example from the Samsung Galaxy S21 family or a Google Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, to unlock, lock and start your BMW. To unlock your BMW with a digital key, hold the backside of your phone near the door handle. The exact position depends on the location of your device's NFC antenna. There's no need to unlock your device or open the My BMW app if your BMW Digital Key is set to not require screen lock. This also allows you to use your BMW Digital Key for several hours if your smartphone goes into power reserve mode. Either way, to start the engine, simply place your device in a smartphone tray and press the Start/Stop button. If you want to hand over the digital key card for a service appointment, make sure to bring a physical key with you. This is needed to transfer the saved condition-based service data to the dealer system. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.